Okay, so back going to the trade. Going long here. I think we've had, of our last 13 trades, we've had one win, which I think even statistically is crazy. Genuinely crazy. Anyway, I'm not bothered. I'm so used to losing that I don't think it really bothers me particularly. It's just part of the process. So it's just one of them. So yeah, we're going long today. I'll break down why. So we've got these equal highs here. We then poked through, retraced into this fair value gap, and I suppose it's kind of all blocking here, but I'm really looking at this sweep and breakdown. On the 1 hour, we've then created equal highs and retraced into this fair value gap, into this order block, and I think our next run liquidity now is this high here. And I think we've created equal highs up here, as you can see. It's become more apparent on like the 15 minute. I think we've got two swing highs in the 15, give or take. We've got this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here, for equal highs pair. For me, I think that's what we're going to be trading into, and I'm fairly confident that should be our drawn liquidity up at these highs here. On the 5 minute, we came initially, we had this like swing low created, rallied up, change in state delivery, retraced back down, rallied up, didn't take the high, which I think would suggest to me retail traders are treating this now as resistance and are looking to go short. And I think there's loads of buy stops prepared, but I think price drawing towards. On the 1 minute, again, we rallied up, didn't take the high. We retraced into this order block here, and then roughly into a discount as well. So I'm expecting price to now want to rally up. I'm looking to target that high there. We could have had entered off of this run here where we kind of got this retraced back into this order block, these downpost candles that created this swing low, and then rallied up, which we missed the entry of, but I was a little bit unsure, so I didn't want to commit to it. However, I think we're now getting another chance to get like re-enter, maybe trade it a little bit lower into this order block here, but I would like to think we won't trade through this order block if we are bullish, which is what I think we are. So I've set my stop loss beneath the kind of this low here, give it a bit of breathing like kind of room as well, and it also holds out this 15 minute fair value gap should we fill that. So I feel fairly good about this trade. I don't see why we would come down into this area here particularly. Obviously on other time frames we've got all the stuff, so 3 minute order block, and then also this 3 minute order block, which again we're putting our stop beneath. So that's what we're going off of. It works out to be a 1 to 1.2, 1 to 2.5 R. So oh shit, I keep pressing the wrong one. Don't want to do that. Okay, so let's see how we get on. Traded a bit lower, showing kind of resistance to the upside. We can break above, that'd be nice. Retracing back in. Let's see what's going on in the 5. I mean, we've filled the 15, I think. Yeah, filled the 15. I don't see why we need to retrace any lower now, particularly. You know, we seem to be holding this 3 minute order block, but we'll see. We'll see. Take out that high. Straight back down. Consolidating around this area. Looks like we haven't quite closed to that 3 minute order block, but I'm not particularly confident. Showing quite a lot of resistance around this area here. So I suspect we're gone here. Yeah. Is it trading into that 5 minute order block? Or is it just not? Is it coming down to sweep out these equal lows first? So it's at that low. And then I want to just see it take out that high, to be honest, and work out how we can get in on that move. So traded back into these lows here, which is just a hard one to read. I don't know how. I'm supposed to anticipate price coming back down, re-sweeping these lows, and then rallying from there. I'm glad that we did sweep that 1 hour, because I think that was our draw liquidity, but we decided to come down, inverse this fair value, trade into this last bearish candle here, and then rally. I don't know if that is like on the 15, it's this whole run down that creates this low. I suppose maybe trade into this, which we hadn't done already. Trade into that body there, rallied. I don't know. But as I said, the losses don't particularly bother me at the minute. I'm just trying to work out why. I'm trying to understand what's going on. I think the less I care, the more likely I am to succeed. So that's another loss. Let's have a look. I tally up my losses. Of my last 19 trades, I've had 4 wins, 1 break even. Well, it's 20 trades now because I've not narrowed it down yet. Note that down before I forget. 20 trades, 1 break even, 15 losses, and 4 wins, which is 4 in 20, so that's a 20% win rate. And 4 of those wins were caught like back to back to back, so it's been a pretty hellish run. But I mean, it seems that we came in, traded into this here. I just thought since we were so close to create the equal highs, I don't know why we decided that we were gonna like just now go, okay, let's go lower before going higher. How do price react having taken that high out? Because on my daily, I wasn't entirely sure if we were going to kind of tap into this fair value gap, which is roughly set around that high. Around those equal highs, and then break down. But I just had a feeling that we were going to trade into that area, which we did. But what did we trade into? I just swept out these lows. I mean, on paper it makes sense. Oh yeah, we came up, created equal highs, swept out these lows, rallied, filled this order up. But how do you know ahead of the trade? It's so easy in hindsight to look at this and go, oh yeah, sure, of course that makes sense. But in the moment, how are you supposed to know that the price is going to create these equal highs? I suppose maybe by the definition of the fact it created equal highs, it's now running to sell side, take some sell side liquidity, and then give us the mover after. Don't know, but I mean, would that have given us an entry on the 5? It's gonna be a long video because I'm trying to analyse properly. Got a change of state delivery here, which you retrace into, but quite deep into it. In 1 minute, let's start this run. Rallied, market structure shift there, retrace back into this fair value gap plus this order block. Ripped up, retrace back into this order block here, and then continue to just rip up. So I mean, it's showing really nice price action, and that is a nice move. That's not alone. Shift market structure, change straight delivery, retraced into the order block and into a fair value gap. Came up, consolidated, broke down, swept out these equal lows, filled this order block, we could see to push higher. But in my head, this looks a nice move. You know, swept out these these lows. Sorry, rallied, created this order block, which price came, revisited, and then for some reason ripped low. But you know, it's one of them. It's one of them. Apologies for the long video. I don't usually do this long, but I'm really trying to just understand what's going on rather than looking at did we win or lose. It's like, did I actually understand what happened there? And that's my main goal. But yeah, appreciate you for watching if there is anyone, and I will catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.